Guatemala will put former military dictator Efrain Rios Montt back on trial. On the 10th of May, he was found guilty of genocide and crimes against humanity, but the Central American country's constitutional court has overturned that conviction on procedural grounds. One of the lawyers of the 86-year-old in April objected to 2 of the 3 presiding judges hearing the case. Rios Montt will be retried for his role in the killings of more than 1,700 indigenous Maya Ixil villagers by the armed forces. Rios Montt was sentenced to 80 years in prison. A senior court official said what had transpired during the trial after the 19th of April was annulled. The dictator seized power in a bloodless coup in March 1982 and held it for 17 months. In that time, tens of thousands of Maya villagers suspected of helping Marxist rebels were killed, tortured and raped by government forces. Rios Montt has repeatedly denied the charges against him. No other former head of state has been condemned by his own country's tribunal. A judge read out, by unanimous decision, the court declares that the accused is responsible as the author of the crime of genocide. He is responsible as the author of the crimes against humanity committed against the life and integrity of the civilian residents of the villages and hamlets located in Santa Maria Nebaj, San Juan Cotzal and San Gaspar, Chajul. The conviction was hailed as a landmark for justice. As many as 250,000 people were killed in Guatemala's civil war from 1960 to 1996. When Rios Montt lost power, he retired from the military, returned to politics, and later unsuccessfully ran for president. As a congressman, he had immunity from prosecution. He left Congress in 2012. As an ally against left-wing guerrillas during the Cold War, Rios Montt was backed by the United States, with explicit support from then-President Ronald Reagan. When he took power, he was also a born-again Christian in a California-based evangelical church. Civilian survivors gave their accounts of the atrocities. The sentencing judge said today's government, Congress, judiciary, Interior Minister and Minister of Defense must ask for forgiveness from the Maya population.